sa pagtitipon na ito. Ito ay ang saksihan ng pagbabagong anyo ng dalawang individual tungo sa pagiging isa. Hinihiling ko ang lahat na makisaya, na makiisa, at sumama sa mga panalangin at mabubuting kahilingan nang sa gayon ang ating magsing-irog sa hapong ito ay matagumpay na mabasbas sa kanilang pagsasama bilang mag-asawa.
Looking at you now, it's obvious it's meant to be. There's just no denying.
Alison, ikaw ba ay nangangako ngayon sa Diyos at sa mga saksi na nandirito? Si Anjanette ay iyong ibigin, igagala, aalagaan at pahalagahan habang buhay? Opo.
There's just no denying. I knew you were right for me.
Alison and Anjanette Amboni.
I don't need to write it. I knew you were right for me.
Love never gives up, never loses faith, is always hopeful, and endures through every circumstance. Ang isang matagumpay at masayang pag-aasawa ay binubuo ng dalawang taong nagmamahal at siya na siyang unang nagmahal sa atin. Ang Panginoon ang gawin yung sentro ng inyong pag-aasawa. Yun ang lagi niyong tatandaan.
Anjanette, alam ko pinangarap mo to. Sana maging masaya ka palagi, maging masaya kayo. Habang buhay, magsama kayo ng maayos at maligaya.
When I reached my mid-20s, I wondered why I was still a single. Yet I wasn't entirely sure if I was ready to be in a relationship. So I prayed to God, saying, God, I trust that you have someone for me and will give him to me when you know I am ready. And then you appeared. A tall, dark, handsome man with a personality I didn't know I would love.
Hey, you never looked so beautiful. You're everything I've waited for. So much more. Standing right in front of me. And we go with every high and low. If love is going where we go to have it all forever. Let's start our life together.
I do believe that he's happy for me, and I do miss him on this special event of my life, but I love him and I know he's happy for me wherever he is.
Ikaw ang aking pinapangarap at wala na akong ibang hihilingin pa. Pinaramdam mo sa akin ang seguridad ng tunay na pagmamahal. Sa piling mo, natagpuan ko ang aking tahanan at kanlungan.
Never looked so beautiful. You're everything I've waited for. So much more. Standing right in front of me. And we go every high and low. If love is going where we go to have it all forever. Let's start our life
Ikaw ba'y nangangako sa Diyos at sa mga saksi na nandirito? Si Allison ay iyong iibigin, igagalang, aalagaan at pahalagahan habang buhay?
Opo.
Standing right in front of me, and we go every high and low. Love is going where we go to heaven, forever. Let's start our life together. Let's start our life together.
Thank you for being my home, the place that keeps me safe. In front of our loved ones, I vow to love you forever, to take care of you, to remain faithful. I will still be happy as long as I'm with you. I love you, baby.
Let's start